Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2013 Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, power mirrors, traction control, intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, fog lights, FWD, headlights auto off, remote trunk release, remote vehicle start. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.